Sir, you have organized this event, and there are a lot of problems we have come across, not trafficking in various kinds. So after the meeting with all the dignitaries, what is your view on this anti-trafficking bill, and what do you think would be the outcome of this?
No, I think this anti-trafficking bill was long in waiting because we definitely deserve to have a comprehensive law against trafficking in the country. Because perhaps no other country in the world has such a huge problem of human trafficking as India has. And this crime in the Indian context is as old as Constitution of India 1950. The term human trafficking was defined in 2013 after Nirbhaya case, but still it remained incomplete because for human trafficking there was no law. Immoral Traffic Prevention Act is only about commercial sex. It talks about a dirty word called prostitution. It does not talk about other forms of human trafficking. And now we accepted in toto the entire phenomena of human trafficking, which means child labor, forced marriages, organ trade, and even surrogacy. It is being included. Then administration of various chemicals to change hormonal conditions and to make a person kind of fit for sex, illegal sex. Likewise, so there are so many aspects of human trafficking, and millions of children and women and even adults are being subjected to human trafficking. Now the law has come. Law hasn't come, law is about to come. The bill is in the parliament. Yesterday, Maneka Gandhi, the Union Minister for Women and Child Development, she was able to place it in the midst of all that crisis. It was placed, and hopefully this law will come through. Today we had a very important program, a very relevant program and most timely program. That is, parliamentarians came and they interacted with the survivors. And these 11 survivors coming from 9 states of India, down south like Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, and of course UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, all the states practically, many states were covered. And these survivors belong to different types of human trafficking. Starting from forced marriages, which is very rampant in the country, as you know, and of course, prickling kind of situation where bonded labor is so common. Then, of course, even organ trade, somebody who went all the way to Sri Lanka and was subjected to organ trade. And of course, sexual crimes, that is commercial sex, was also covered in it. So all types of human trafficking survivors came and participated, and a very intense discussion took place throughout the day. And the result is that these MPs, members of parliament, parliamentarians like Shatrughan Sinha, Manoj Tiwari, who is also the president of BJP here in Delhi, and Geeta, who comes from Tamil Nadu, all of them have agreed to raise this issue and they are going to participate. So it has been a success, and we want this law to be created as fast as possible so that we are able to contain the issue of human trafficking in all aspects. Prevention, detection, investigation, rehabilitation, compensation, everything should be covered. Okay? And that's where we are. The program was organized by Prayas, but then the others who participated in the program happened to be, let's say, Freedom Fund, which is a big organization supporting us, and IWG, okay, an interim working group as we call it. It's a network of many organizations. And HLN partners, Human Law Network partners. So we have got several organizations, many organizations, nearly 20 organizations coming from all over the country. West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, down south, Tamil Nadu, all of them came. And then, so it's a national consultation and truly organized in its spirit.
Sir, there is lots of laws, there are lots of law in our constitution, but people don't know about so much, they don't have so much information about that. So what the people can, do to take the information and know?
No, I think media is the only way perhaps through which the awareness can be caused. And this law being so important, it's a very important law. And so obviously everybody should know about it, because trafficking is such a thing in its form which is defined now, in the form which is coming through the parliament. Probably everybody should know, because it's happening in many households. So let's hope that everybody knows about it and we take advantage of this law.